Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Hello there and welcome, Gary. Always a pleasure to have you.
Good to be here.
Great questions coming up today. Let's start with one from one of our viewers.
Hi Gary, do I need a will if I'm not married and I don't have children?
All right, good question, and it's kind of a big question.
Yeah,
I like the question. So, do you need one? No. The state will decide where your assets go. So if you have a lot of stuff, it'll go to maybe some third cousin, you know, 4 times removed. I don't know. Somebody may get real lucky and get your stuff. But it's set out in the statutes, both in Georgia and Alabama. So if you die what we call intestate, without a will, then there's a certain distribution that the state has set up. If they can't find anybody, then I guess it goes to the state. But, so here's the deal. Yeah. So for years, people got wills if they were concerned about their tax liabilities. But right now, you know, so we don't have any inheritance tax. So it's not really the consideration whether that'll last 10 years or not. I don't know. She's very young. I don't think that's she's got a long time to worry about it. But there's other reasons to do a will. It is to, maybe you want a certain piece of furniture to go to somebody. You know,
right.
Gosh, it sure is nice when that's all set out by the decedent and we're not fighting amongst the family later. So
right.
I think there's value in just knowing that things are going to be dealt with the way you want them to be dealt with. And that's the real consideration. So, you know, there's other reasons to do it. I would encourage you to get one if you don't have one.
Right.
They're not expensive.
No.
And they let you kind of make the decisions, and it takes all that fighting out of everything.
Yeah, or even if you wanted to, you know, have your stuff, as you will, go to a charity or something
Right.
of some kind. That's everything that you would
And there's
set
ways
that out.
there's ways to bypass it. You can own things jointly, like an account, and it'll go to the surviving person.
Yeah.
But anyway, if we've got another
Yeah,
question.
good question. Yes, we do. Viewer email. This is, what do I do if I paid money down for a swimming pool and the work's not completed?
Yeah, it happens. So,
Yeah.
of course, the first thing you want to do is make sure you're dealing with a reputable contractor. But what happens is they get halfway in, they've always been good before something happens, now you paid the money and they walk the job. What do you do? Well, my quick advice would be this. You send a certified letter saying, you need to get out here and finish this, and if you don't within a certain amount of time, I'm going to do it myself. And then you have to do what they call mitigate damages. You need to go finish the job. But now that you've told him how to do it, what the time frame is and how to get it finished, if they don't, then you sue for the damages. You sue for what it took for you to get it done, because we can't make somebody do a job.
Right. Very
So,
good.
good questions.
Yes,
Thank you.
Great. Thank you very much. We'll see you on the very next Legal Break.